So since this is just a practice slide, I didn't quite finish, but what I chose to do my speech on is a interpersonal relationship. What an interpersonal relationship is a relationship between two or more people. This relationship can either be friendly or unfriendly. As we go on, I will talk about different types of interpersonal relationships, such as friends, family, romantic, or acquaintances. Usually with these interpersonal relationships, how they communicate. As I said, I'm not quite finished with this yet, but they tend to, such as romantic, they tend to be more on the emotional side, the attached side, while others, such as friend interpersonal relationship, don't really tend to be more emotional. And what I mean by that is they don't tend to talk about things and have a longer longer communications than a wife or a boyfriend, girlfriend would do. Um, and then I also will talk about communications in the workplace. I will show some examples of how that works. Actually, I will show examples for every single one. Um, I will show pros and cons, and I will continue on talking about uh, more in the detail of what interpersonal relationships, how they evolve, how they communicate more and more, and really, I mean, how they started. I mean, some romantic relationships start as friends, and then they or start off as acquaintances and then become friends, and the next thing you know, they start as romantic or finish as romantic. I'm sorry, and just how they evolve and how communication between these different types can create a better relationship or a worse relationship because an interpersonal relationship is a relationship between two more people where you can either be friendly or unfriendly. So I would also show examples of how unfriendly and friendly interpersonal relationships how they communicate and how they different from each other. Um, so I don't know if I was supposed to make this 7 minutes or not, since this is a practice one. But yeah, thank you, and of course I will finish up. And yeah, have a good day.